Alright, guys, we got the color working.
The what? Okay, now you can talk.
Yeah, we got the color working, so now you can.
Oh, there you go.
see.
Good job, KJ. You did it, KJ. What is that? What are you about to do?
I want it all over.
You can here put it on top of this box. So you can get it all over, not. Oh, the slime. Well, you're supposed to do you're supposed to crack it before you, and then put it into the slime, so that way you can hear the cracking. Because if you put too much slime on, you won't hear the cracking. But hold on, let me close this and you can put it all over and get it on the box. Sorry, hold on. Technical difficulties. Okay. Oh, the sprinkles I tried to put on, they were falling off. Here.
That's fine.
You can do it on here.
Guys, you're recording this one?
Yep.
Guys.
Now you can put the slime in it with you if you want. You want me to give it to you?
I like that. It smells good.
Like chocolate?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Does the strawberry one smell like strawberry?
I'm sure. You can open and smell it after if you want. The glaze.
Wait.
Oh, yep, we heard the crackles. The sprinkles cracking? Is that what it was?
No, that was the slime.
Oh, you can pour that back on the slime and make the slime in there. Here, you could do these two if you want. You want to do this again?
But first, also there's gonna be a new slime coming up. I'll show you a quick look after this.
After what? After you're done with this slime?
Hang on. So yeah, so this is going to be the slime coming up for the next part.
What's that? Is that strawberry? Oh, that one. Okay. The abundance.
Anyways,
Hear that? Oh wait, that cracked. So okay.
anyways, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, guys, make sure to like and subscribe.